Other video. We have this SAT problem on algebra involving graph. Let's get into the question. The table shows some values of the linear function f. What is the value of f of 9.5? So this is showing us a table, and we are required to find the value of f of 9.5. Let's get into the solution. All right, so we want to get into the solution of this problem, and well, if this is a linear function, one thing we know about the linear function is that the slope of any 2 points will always give you the same thing. That means a linear function has a constant slope, the change in y and the change in x. Now, these represents any 3 points on that function. So we know it's a linear function, and we know it has a constant slope. And also, this f of x is the same thing as y. Yeah, if you're plotting it on a Cartesian plane. So the value we're required to find, which is f of 9.5, is actually find the value of this y, or the function, when x is equals to 9.5. Of course, you can't find it from the graph, so you really need to do a little solving to get your answer. First of all, we find the slope, because the slope is the same for this function. The slope is given by y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1 as the slope. Now, we can pick any 2 points. Let me pick these 2 points. Now, on the Cartesian plane, this is the s coordinate, this is the y coordinate. So if I pick this as my point 2, I'm going to pick this as my point 1, so I'm going to substitute in this value. So my y2 will be this 17, and my y1 will be this 13. My x2 will be 2, my x1 will be 0. So if I substitute that, y2 is 17 minus 13 all over 2 minus 0. If you also use any of these points, you will get the same thing. So if you solve this, we will have that our slope is, this is 4 over 2. 4 over 2, that means the slope is 2. So since the slope is 2, and we are looking for the value of y, okay, when x is 9.5, and that slope